Vasquez, and I'm going to share with you how to create a beautiful, long-lasting blowout. This is for the client who would like to collapse volume, smooth the cuticle, and control thick, coarse hair. I'll be using the proper blowpro tools and products to create the perfect blowout. The perfect smooth blowout begins with a clean canvas. For smoothing, use Damage Control Daily Repair Shampoo and Conditioner. This shampoo repairs breakage while gently cleansing to smooth cuticle and fight frizz. The conditioner can be used daily or as a weekly treatment by wrapping the hair with a warm towel for 15 minutes. Rinse lightly with cold water for added shine. Scrunch hair with a towel to dry well. Spray Heat is On Protective Daily Primer generously throughout sections of the hair. Use a wide tooth comb to evenly distribute product. The primer protects the hair while heat styling. Squeeze a nickel-sized amount of Ready Set Blow into the hands and emulsify using the tips of your fingers to rake through the hair. The blow dry lotion reduces blow dry time and creates a flexible hold. Scrunch the hair again with a towel to remove additional moisture. Ready Set Blow pushes the water to the hair's surface. Spray You Only Smoother Advanced Smoothing Spray generously throughout the hair. It works with heat to smooth hair at each cuticle layer. Use WeatherGirl Pure Anti-Frizz Serum and emulsify into your hands. Apply to the mid-length and ends. Use a wide tooth comb to evenly distribute product for intense frizz control before heat styling. These are the blowpro tools you'll need to create the perfect blowout. Blow dry using blowpro Pink Edition blow dryer with pure air technology. The infrared light inside the dryer helps you see where the air flow is directed. The titanium technology ensures even heat distribution and faster drying time. Power dry the hair 50% to remove moisture using your hands to smooth hair in a downward direction. Use medium heat for coarse or naturally curly hair, and low heat if the hair is color treated or fragile. Pre-suction the hair using blowpro alligator clips so the blowout has a structured plan. I will be working with a large barrel click and curl brush, which is unique because the barrel changes colors from pink to silver as the brush heats up and will return back to pink as the brush cools down. Drop clip out of the hair from the first section starting at the bottom. Use a medium tooth comb to smooth the hair. Make sure all the tangles are combed through before beginning the blowout. Begin the blowout starting at the root area. Focus the concentrator nozzle of the blow dryer straight down, just past the ends of the brush. Work the brush down the hair shaft, holding it out from the head with slight tension as you work your way down the strand. Continue drying each section, working your way to the top of the head until all sections of the first side are done. Dispense a nickel-sized amount of Maintain Weightless Pomade into your hands and emulsify. Smooth through mid-lengths and ends with your fingertips to lock in the style. Repeat in all remaining quadrants. Utilize the blowpro flat iron to create additional smoothness and straightening. Titanium technology allows the heat to distribute, helping to fight the frizz and create sleek, sexy hair. Pass a comb through the hair first and then follow with a flat iron. Lightly spray Time to Shine 3D illuminating mist throughout the mid-lengths and ends to help protect from UV damaging rays. Lock in the style while keeping movable hold using Blowout Serious Non-Stick Hairspray to extend the life of the blowout. Here's our model Maria with beautiful, smooth, sexy hair. Be sure to look for other great videos on the blowpro YouTube channel, and be sure to follow us on social media.